Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here to tell you about my recommendations for the best website builder for small business websites. Meet Wix Website Builder. The only con with Wix is that it is quite an extensive platform, and it can be quite daunting to some. Now don't get too scared though, Wix has tips and help along the way. First, you can start using Wix today for free by following the link in the description. Wix not only allows you to build, but also host a website completely for free. Once you create an account here and start building, you'll get two options. Pick a template or go with Wix's AI-generated design. What should you choose? I would currently recommend going with the regular templates for the easiest approach. The AI approach is good, but the designs aren't that modern or impressive. And, well, I kind of forgot to mention that there are over 900 regular Wix templates for you to choose from, probably the biggest selection. These are the following steps where you can create the website using Wix. Connect a custom domain, set up payment methods, add your first product, set up shipping and delivery, create an invoice to get paid, design your website, even instituting a personalized loyalty program are all quite easy to get the hang of in terms of pricing. Wix may not be the most budget-friendly website builder available, but it's affordable when building business projects. I've already mentioned that you can start for free, but to connect a custom domain, a necessity for any business. In fact, you'll need to upgrade premium plans, started around $16 per month, and offer a range of benefits. We're talking about 2 GB of storage, unlimited bandwidth-free SSL certificates, and a complimentary domain name for 1 year, but you'll need higher-priced plans that offer additional e-commerce features, such as multi-currency selling and drop shipping support, to really get the best of the Wix Business Suite. Another thing to note about Wix is that there aren't any renewal price increases, meaning that the Lite plan will stay at $16 per month. No matter how many times you renew, the last part I want to cover is performance. Your clients won't wait forever, and we don't want to lose customers because of bad performance. But what is a good performance for this? We can look at Google's recommendations currently to get the best search engine optimization results. Google recommends fully loading within 2.5 seconds. So let's take my newly built business site for a test ride. And the results aren't the best. My website took over 7 seconds to fully load. I probably don't need to say it's a bit longer than 2.5 seconds. If this isn't good for business, why is Wix first? Well, because most of my site loaded way faster in around 2 seconds. To be frank, my user can interact with my site while Wix still loads its content in the background. We can look at my site loading in real time. My best guess for why this is the case is that Wix is a very large platform, and it needs way more time just to connect everything together. So if you want to have all the business tools your new website needs in one place, or just want to have full control over your content and marketing, Wix is the best website builder to use now. What if you want to build a simple business representation page, or want to start a small store with only a few products? Well, then you need a smaller and more straightforward website builder. Let me introduce you to Hostinger. Yeah, Hostinger isn't just about affordable hosting. Now it's a full-on small business suite. Unlike Wix, Hostinger Website Builder has no free plan, so you'll need to grab a plan to start building. I've left my discount deals in the description just for this. When you start your building process, you'll need to choose whether to go with regular templates or AI-generated designs. The template selection isn't as extensive as Wix. Here you get only about 150 of them. But if I'm being fair, I like most of Hostinger templates more than I like Wix's. They seem to be more modern and colorful overall. Once you start editing, the overall process should be straightforward. Unlike Wix, Hostinger's website builder only has a few elements you can choose from: images, text forms, and galleries. You won't find complex things here, which is a big plus, since you never get lost in the sea of different tools and elements. However, the editor itself is responsive and smooth. You get drag and drop controls, and you can place elements wherever you want. But you also get a great system to let you see more clearly where you are placing your elements, while you can build a website and start selling online with Hostinger. your marketing and other business aspects will require third-party solutions. The tools that are here are good, but basic. Overall, you can connect to Google Analytics or Facebook and do basic SEO optimizations. But Hostinger has some nice AI tools to offer you. Get a logo generator to create a decent-looking logo in just a few minutes. These AI-generated logos naturally won't be the same as professionally created ones, but when you're running a business on your own, this tool helps immensely. But a more useful tool for business is the AI heat map. This tool creates a heat map that shows what parts of your site grab the user's attention the most. Like this example, using this data, I can add a sell button here, or advertise a discount since I know it's the most optimal place on my design. Let's look at e-commerce. Adding or managing products is pretty straightforward. Moreover, this platform intercreates over 20 payment gateways alongside automated shipping and tax functionalities. Just keep in mind that there is a limit of 500 products per store. The last small con is that there's no such thing as the hosting your app store, so there isn't any way to add extra third-party extensions, so growth perspectives aren't the greatest here. All right, pricing, as I said in every review, Hostinger is probably the most affordable website builder on the market. Sure, it doesn't have any free plan or trial, which is a bit of a shame. However, you can grab a plan that allows you to build 100 business websites for under $3 a month. That's what something like a free cents per website Hostinger is very customer-friendly. The premium plan comes with 100 GB of fast SSD storage space, unlimited bandwidth-free SSL, and even automatic weekly backups. Oh, and with my discount link, you get free months for free. But these affordable plans aren't slow either. And honestly, Hostinger manages to show some impressive results every single time. So after running this online store through GT metrics, Hostinger loaded fully in 1.3 seconds. What also helps Hostinger's performance is the fact that you can select any of the 10 available data centers. So if you want to build an online store that is Europe targeted, choosing a European data center will greatly help with your lad times. So to conclude, Hostinger Website Builder is the best choice for users who want to build small to medium business websites or stores. It has some of the best money to value ratios and is a very easy website builder to use even if you're completely new. Okay, so what if you just want an e-commerce site where you can just sell stuff? Then the best choice would probably be Shopify. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that is all about helping you start selling as soon as possible. Now I say platform and not a builder, because honestly, compared to the previous two providers, the design options here are pretty basic. Shopify primarily focuses on establishing and operating your online store, so there's not much in the design department now. Shopify typically features only around 12 templates, 12, that are free. There are over 144 premium themes for those willing to invest a little extra. And there's also a wide selection available from third-party sources. You do only need to pay for a premium template once, so it's a decent investment. And you can find very specific designs or your business overall. Shopify store designs are great, only if you're willing to pay a BS more. The website editing process itself is even more simplified than Hostinger. Shopify lacks drag and drop controls requiring users to place each element in predefined locations as a result. Website construction starts from the top with elements added downwards. While this limited flexibility may lead to structural similarities among most Shopify sites, it simplifies the website creation process, particularly for beginners. Moving on the management side of Shopify is naturally great. You get all tools. Your e-commerce store might need tax calculations, automatic tools, inventory management, and mobile application access. Just like Wix, Shopify boasts a vast third-party app marketplace with over 7,000 extensions and tools. This extensive ecosystem provides flexibility, but can also lead to additional costs. So don't forget to compare different extension pricing plans. so you can start using Shopify right now. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe our YouTube channel. Your input fuels our motivation to create even more informative videos in the future.
Thank you for tuning in. We hope you found this content valuable. If you did, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us.